You come and you chicken. I'm taking off and going. I'm going.
Please do. Just swim. Just swim and come. You can't come with us. What?
What do you have 3 for? So what? Don't chuck it, don't chuck it. Sue, sit down man. Hey, Anu, come.
What are you guys playing? Joe, what are they playing? Yeah, what? Okay, you guys, close up, close up.
Listen. You're going to be a mermaid. It's not a fish. She's there. She may be flounders. I'm actually a fish. I'm Sebastian. The crab.
Oh.
And you should have known that Pushpi would choose herself to be Ariel.
Yeah, obviously. Hello. Janu. Okay, guys. How can Ariel stand on a rock? What is it? Oh, Pushpi, Little Mermaid and all. Where's the ship? You're going away from the camera!
Catching fish! The fish over there. Where? They were when I came to the water.
Videotape you coming up.
You need to pee, wait.
You need to pee.
Stop embarrassing me!
That's the spot she fell from.
Don't make fun of me!
Come
Let me try again.
Come on.
And then I'll change after that. Get my towel notes on the rock there.
Bro, you look like a Momo. Okay, now you don't.
Guys, I will have to climb this rock. Slippery. Breathe, that's it, man. Move it.
Haha, try and come. Oh, you're coming from this side. Somebody pull her.
Don't, I've been falling off.
10 minutes. Leave. Okay, please. Hey, I don't want.
Guys, finish in 10 minutes. Maximum. Just say yes, man.
Hi, Amal.
Crossing the river here.
Ammu.
You're not recording, are you? Hey, why are you just jobless? You call out my name.
So how's the lunch?
Really nice.
Lunch?
Say lunch.
Lunch is pretty good. And it's lovely sunbathing after dipping in the pool. I told you,
Something from you, Piri.
Focus on one of those. Why keep focusing on me?
How's the lunch?
It's yummy, but
What are you having?
sambar rice, but it's really yum.
And?
Everyone ate off a salad, but it's still yum.
Mark, go behind.
Turn that side, Aku's changing.
What are you doing, man?
हाँ नहीं
क्यों?
तो साथ में जो है
अरे What about you? हाँ?
भारत ने बहुत हेल्प की
बहुत हेल्प की आहे. आणि तुमच्या काय?
माझा
हो.
माझी मजा बँड वाजलेली आहे.
का?
हाँ
का?
मजा येते पण खूप हे थकान झालंय. खूप म्हातार पण लागलाय.
काय सांगतास तुम्ही?
हा आणि तू हेल्प करायला कधी असतो कधी नसतो म्हणून पण तुमच्या बरोबर मजा आहे बरं का.
This is pretty much what we've been doing the whole day. Sometimes the paths we narrow. Sometimes we've been.
Lots of bamboo getting smacked on our faces.
Okay, Pushpi, this is not a complaint session. Anyway, this is just.
So walk side by side, that's the problem.
So I'm not saying walk side by side. Anyway, 20 years from now, if any of us want to remember what we were doing today, yeah, this is what we were doing today. Elephant marker.
Yeah, all that running.
It was like snakes to get us to run so fast.
That guy looked at the stick and he said it's 2 days over.
Yeah, 2 days is a long time. Okay, just for the last time, who said this is going to be fun? I mean, it's pure.
Hey, I look like the monkey in the
I think we all are like that. Crazy slow. I'm sorry I keep recording, but I still haven't understood why we're doing this. This is just ridiculous.
Because it's supposed to be an excursion and it's a K5 school. Therefore, they only take us on such trips.
necessary. I mean, hello, last year what they went to Agumbe and all. That's not
They had fun.
Agumbe, they had fun, but this year 20s went and they had a bad time.
Okay.
How come last year they had fun? Because of the Naxalites.
That's like this one.
Vishnu, careful, nothing. I'm going to spring back into my camera.
Don't worry.
Thank you. I'm just leaving on for a while because just to kind of get a picture of what we are doing.
Oh Lord, my leg is getting caught.
I am careful.
Take a picture of everybody crawling.
A thorn in my hand. This is like the 13th kilometer we've been doing this today. It's not even fun. Have I already said that it's boring, monotonous and never ending?
Yeah, even I was thinking that today. See, it's like the middle of the
Okay,
Amazon.
whoever is watching this video, I'm sorry the camera is shaking so much, but I'm kind of trekking at the same time. So,
Exactly. God.
by the way, Kshitija, when you watch this,
I want the network that you use my pen.
on Wednesday, we were all feeling really bad that you couldn't come. By now, we are so envious. If not envious, we just had
Wordsworth and all thought of nature, and this is nature. The leeches and the mosquitoes and the sweltering.
so many leeches all the time. We change our clothes, we change back. We get wet, we change our clothes, we get wet, we change, don't change our clothes, we just stay wet. That is
And we
how
stay
I
there
like it.
because we cross the river. And some poor souls actually fall down and get hurt really bad.
Peony.
Who are you referring to?
Can you please remove this off my head? Sorry for the complete. Okay, Peeny and Pushpa are arguing now.
There's a phone in my ear.
Wow, happy face to the camera.
It's actually not that bad, just tiring.
It's not tiring, it's boring and monotonous. Okay, everyone has their own problems with this. Whatever, we're still going to kill Jazz. It's not my idea of 3 days of fun, rest and relaxation.
See this?
I will show him this, believe me.
If any consideration, Jazz, I don't want to yell at you.
Wow, how sweet of her. Anyway, okay, we are now trekking in the dark. We are crawling on all feet, okay? I mean, seriously, I cannot describe it. It is crawling on all feet. I mean, 2 feet and 2 legs. What?
Which person?
Oh, that's a... No, I just want to prove to whoever's watching.
Whoever's watching that this is madness, okay?
This is what we are trekking to.
Okay, now you're making it sound like a fear factor or something.
I just want to...
Okay? He says it's a 10-minute walk, which obviously means it's around half an hour to 45 minutes.
I can't stand this. I am feeling so
irritated.
irritated. I feel like dying.
I mean, you can look any direction. It's so dark that the camera can't see your face. Anyway, I shall put the camera off, but this is just ridiculous. Okay, this proves that it is pitch black. Pitch black. Let me try putting on the night shot. Okay, with night shot you can see
Quite a lot.
Okay, so this is where we are now. We're actually sitting because I don't think we actually know where we're going.
काल में हम तुम करे धमाल.
You should keep on singing.
Check it down with the call. I don't know. Call. Now the tiger will soon come, Daddy G. Ayo, Peeny, that sounded like Chinma auntie blowing her nose.
Try shooting people, that's it.
Janu, take me on night vision.
Yeah.
You'll be so scary that I...
Oh! Horror movie only. Seriously, that is horror movie. No, man, it's scary. Seriously.
Shit, Pushpa, you're scaring me.
Man, hey, that's perfect still for a horror movie, no?
Hi, you guys. You might say, you know, your eyes all look like panther's eyes. Why not? We might still remember this scene.
I'm scared looking at my own face.
Scary, no, Vishnu.
What's the point of recording the darkness? I've got a nightlight on.
What they made us go through?
In what situation we are?
You know, your eyes are glistening from there like a cat's.
Whose is this?
You are. But Pushpa looks the scariest.
Hey, Janu, I bet you if you took somebody else's close-up face, it'd look as scary.
No, man.
Don't be mean.
But seriously. Hey, don't.
You look like a werewolf.
Yeah, I haven't shaved.
Vampire.
I haven't shaved for a long time.
Yeah, you think you can see the hair in this life, idiot?
What?
I didn't mean to call you an idiot. I'm sorry, but you...
Hey, I can take insides like idiot and all, please.
You're very sensitive, so I don't know.
I know, Peeny, you keep misunderstanding my words.
Oh
God. Janu's face wants to come.
This is...
We're recording for no reason. No, edited, no?
No, I'm not gonna edit it. This shows how spooky it is exactly.
Yeah, this is like the Blair Witch Project. Oh my god!
God, yeah.
Now if I take Pushpa's face...
Switch off the light, Pusa.
Is it worse?
Yeah.
Yeah, not really. Oh Lord,
The teeth! The eyes and teeth!
Stop, you're
Okay, sing some
me.
song. Okay.
Song!
Look here and sing a song. No, now it's fine.
But that looks good.
Okay, let's sing that Kaal Kaal again.
इस काल काल में हम तुम करे धमाल. Break it down to the call, yeah.
Right now, it's Kali. What are the lines after that, Pusa?
I did, Peeny, you think I know? I wish I
I
knew.
heard this song so many times.
Yeah, but I always pay attention to only this part.
And the other part,
Which one?
the female's voice.
This looks so pretty. What's wrong with
Janu,
it?
don't take
You already have one of it. Why do you want another one?
That was on a different track. Okay.
Take Peony because I mean, look at it.
What's your secret, Nikki?
Maybe actually he's a girl, and then maybe he's wearing a fake mustache in this thing, and he doesn't want anyone to know. And then you see these long eyelashes.
I'm trying to hide my secret.
And maybe he has like a plastic surgery or something.
Secret what?
Are you like
Secret thoughts?
No, secret to soft skin.
What sense does that make? You have a secret to soft skin which you're trying to hide by hiding from the camera?
Man,
That was night vision. That was night vision.
Okay, what are you blocking?
show me Pushpi on that. I want to see Pushpi
No.
on the
Don't rewind, Janu.
Hey man, I need to shave. Go die somewhere.
This is an ulta, which is why they're so fascinated by how scary they look. Pushpi is scary. You guys are going to spill my tea on me. You are so funny.
Janu, I want to see me. I can't see me.
Okay, Janu, get my eye.
Are you recording all this?
Why do I have a big white patch on my face?
You know what? I don't look. Oh my god, my eyes look amazing in this. I love it.
Stop looking, loving yourself. Stop listening to me.
I look like
I don't want to sleep inside. I don't want to sleep inside.
my god, I really look like a bloody chink. My eyes are so small and watery. What do you do?
You can lean on the tree over there. My chapel.
Yeah, I'll give you a I'll just finish doing
Krishnapriya attacks attention to this. Pushpi, keep quiet, otherwise he'll realize and he'll be furious as he goes. He realize now we can never show him this video. Okay, enough, he's not so.
Let's send these sacrifices to the gods. We have
Who are you recording?
Huh? Okay. Obviously, relax.
Now you'll get super close up of me. What's the point?
Why the hell am I not feeling any warmer after sitting right at the fire? You are feeling warmer, you don't realize. Go somewhere else, you'll freeze.
You guys chuck in dry leaves.
Man, her brother talks more than her on the phone, you know? I had to tell him, okay. Sorry. One time.
Revati called my house and my sister picked it up. So listen, okay. So Reva goes, oh, this is Revati. So my sister knows who Revati is. She called me and she gave the phone to me. Then Reva goes, hello, who is this? I was like, yeah, didn't you ask for me, Revati? She goes, who is this? I thought she wanted me to guess who was on the other line. So I was like, yeah, it's Revati. My sister told me. Then she said, no, who is this? I was like,